Ooh, that's warm. Ah, that's warm. Push Rod Fury. Doing gear oil change day, but I wasn't going to make a video, but look at how black this is. And it's got about 3,600 miles on that oil, and it was fresh. So my guess is I didn't use a good enough quality oil, but I thought I'd show that. I used some like AutoZone Valvoline Hypoid gear oil. Big surprise that it didn't hold up, but I'm glad I didn't delay any longer. Okie Just gonna let that drip. Just wanted to rinse out some of the nasty contaminants in there. Okay. There.
يعني بس الزغالي برضه بفوقه يعني بس يعني هيك مرة منزل حتى الشباب مش عارف محل ايه اكتر وايه طبعا اذا بدكم تسالوا على هدول
Oh, well, and the oil level thing. A little dipstick later. Ooh, does that smell bad? Remember before these things were frozen in there. I'm sitting for since 85, I think. Ooh.
لا هاي الحجم ممتاز بس الصباط هلا هو مرات يمشي منيح هلا هو بدك يعني بس
Just to kind of help rinse things out.
يعني جبهة خفيف وإذا يعني مش مشكلة تشتغل الهواء الواحد
Ah, that did come loose. Good.
يلا بس يجي الواحد هيك بيكون وقت شوي الراحة.
That's hot. Whew, is that hot? Yowie, yowie, yowie. Hot, hot, burning oil. You don't do that. Whatever I just did, bad idea. That felt great, by the way. Felt great. But at least I got this before it was totally black. Just more draining action. So replacement filter for the XS750, Canon 146, and it includes the O-ring, which can be somewhat tricky to get in. New filter. So we get that replaced. Put the new O-ring in, which is here, and get going. So that's the oil filter. You need a 12mm socket. I'm going to slide this oil pan. No, I'm not, because I need the oil pan here. Okay. Ooh, that's warm. Ah, that's warm. Ah, too hot. Okay, should let that cool off a little longer. So now I've stuck with this hot ass oil filter housing. Ah! I have this much oil going around in the engine. I can kind of show you where we are. There's the oil filter housing. There's my other oil. No floor drips yet. Let's just let that sit there. Let's sort of take a look-see-loo. So this big, you see, it's this, the spring goes on first, followed by the washer. Just set this aside. Oops. And that. Okay. It's a big chunk of hot metal. So, I'm just going to spruce this up. Get all that oil out of there. Clean it up a little bit. Don't go too crazy. The good news is there's nothing weird, no weird sediment in there. It's just nice, well-used oil. The oil change, last oil change I think was a year ago. And if I had an oil cooler, it would screw in right here. I'm using, can you see that? Spectro 4-cycle 20W40, so that's exactly what's specified by Yamaha. And it's a good price, it's only $8 a liter. And you have to keep lots of this around because the bike does blow oil like through the engine. Crankcase breather, so it's not really burning oil because that would show up on the spark plugs, but it pushes oil vapor out. So you really need to put, like, I don't know, every 1,000 miles you have to add a liter or quart. maybe 500 miles. What's funny is that's the exact specification of the Harley, the Sportster that I have. It consumes a quart every 500 to 1,000 miles. Really not any new tricks here. Take a little bit of oil, put it on the O-ring. All right, so we're gonna, I'm sure I've got a clean finger for that. Just gonna dunk it in there. Go around this O-ring. That helps make a nice seal. We already know that stuff. We'll go in here. Okay. And I'm going to put a little bit of oil on the seal. Yep, like that. Both sides. And that goes on. Just like that. Okay. Then we'll have to get this in there without the gasket coming out, which is sometimes a little bit of a challenge, but we'll see how it goes today. Alright, so I'm going to put the drain plug in. Goes here. Okay, that's in. And now I'm just going to clean up these surfaces here. There we go, put that there. My challenge being, this is very difficult. Okay, that's going together. Challenge being making sure that you get the O-ring in. Let's see if you can see what I'm talking about. Can you see that? Gotta make sure that gets tucked in there and doesn't get squished. So that's what I'll be doing while you're watching. It appears to have slid into place properly. Okay. So, and there's a sight glass, so that's good on this bike. Spill there. That looks great. Perfect. Okay. Okay. All right, that's it. you know, we did, what do we do? Mid gear and final drive. Those we did the bike when I first got the bike, so that's got about 3,600 miles on it. I used Valvoline. Never again. I'll just use the whatever brand I bought. I don't know, motorcycle specific 80W90, and then the Spectro 20W40, and go from there. And it took pretty much what it specified, and the Canon filter, so should be good to go. I'll change the final drive, I guess, every 3,000 miles, so do it again around 11,000 miles, and I'll change the oil again, probably. I'm gonna put it away for the winter. All right, that is it. See you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, tell your friends, share it, like, whatever, all that stuff. All right, thanks.